Are you looking to enhance the visibility of your web page in order to increase sales through the use of tabs elements? Hi, I'm Kate from PageFly. Stay tuned as we unveil the latest updates to PageFly's tabs element designed to help you optimize your Shopify tabs. The initial update introduces a new headers layout. Previously, the default setting was wrap, with no option for customization. However, we have now introduced the ability to choose between scrolling or drop down. This is useful in cases where there are numerous header tabs, as it allows users to hide the tabs once they reach a certain level. With the scrolling option, users can scroll to both sides to view all tabs. Alternatively, the drop-down option enables users to scroll up and down to access the header tabs. Let's move on to explore the next update in this version. New menu width setting. You can now configure the width of tab headers. Easily set the width of the tab header content by selecting the tabs and adjusting the menu max width for either the left or right position. The next update is the auto scroll feature. When the tab element is positioned at the bottom of the page and a user clicks on the drop-down button, the tab element will scroll upwards to fully display the menu for selection. Please note that this feature only works in live view. Next, there are other minor improvements that can be implemented. When viewing on a desktop or laptop, the text is automatically set to wrap for optimal readability. On a tablet, the text is set to scrolling for easier navigation. The same applies to mobile devices. Besides, when the content in the tab header is too long, the text will be truncated for tab headers in the drop-down layout. This feature ensures that the tab headers remain visually appealing and organized. Remember that this feature just applies when you choose left or right header position with the menu width smaller than the text length. With the up and down position, it will auto-set show full text. Now it's time to consider how you can effectively utilize this feature on your PageFly pages. It is beneficial to categorize products and provide users with the ability to switch between them using tabs. Similarly, grouping blog posts by author or date and utilizing tabs for navigation between different groups can enhance user experience. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7. Thanks for watching.